Hajimemashite, watashi wa Jane desu. Philippine kara kimashita. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Hello, my name is Jane. I am from the Philippines. Nice to meet you. I began learning Japanese due to the significance of cultural integration. My family and I have been living here in Tokyo actually for 17 years now. I primarily use English at work because I'm an ESL teacher, but I realized that knowing Japanese will significantly improve my daily interactions and navigations outside the workplace. So, in addition to that, having a grasp of Japanese can be beneficial for networking since I will have access to information that might not be available in English. So, for me, I feel that it will enhance my life by adding more convenience, and learning a new language is both challenging and a rewarding experience. But, it opens new perspectives. I chose Zuit as my Japanese learning partner because they offer evening classes, which are perfect for a busy working mom like me. Yeah, somebody from here, from Japan, shared Zuit's posts. Hindi about Japanese lessons, but na-curious ako kasi parang may mga activities yung Zuit. So sabi ko, ano ba itong Zuit? So tiningnan ko yung Facebook page, then nakita ko yung mga posts aside from boot camps, nag-o-offer sila ng Japanese online classes. At first, I've mentioned earlier na I had reservations about enrolling actually because my previous attempts at self-study were unsuccessful. So I struggled with motivation since my husband is not Japanese. So we primarily used English, Tagalog, and Cebuano at home. We decided to use these three languages to ensure our daughter becomes conversational or fluent in them, in addition to the Japanese that she frequently used at school. So, parang hindi doubt sa program, but sa sarili ko na kaya ko ba to, masusustain ko ba to, kasi sa dinami-dami ng times na tirinay kong mag-aral, wala hindi ako nag-improve. Before the boot camp, I had certain expectations then. So I was hoping na it would reignite my motivation to learn Japanese. Then nag-anticipate din ako na yung teachers would be highly skilled and well-trained. I recognize the importance of guidance and structure in achieving results in my Japanese language journey. Kasi before, nasa akin lang kung gusto ko mag-aral or tinatamad ako. So, hindi siya consistent. But now, na nasa Zuit ako, I'm very consistent. Kasi nga, may routine Kailangan mong mag-aral almost every night from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tapos may mga drills for example, sa Quizlet. Then may mga homework na kailangan isubmit or sagutan. So, nagustuhan ko siya kasi parang gina-guide ako to improve my skills. Since starting the course in January, I have seen considerable improvement in my Japanese skills. Sobrang nakakabasa na ako ng hiragana, katakana, and of course some kanji. Yung usual kanji na expected for my level. So, nakakapag-create na din ako ng simple sentences, descriptions, and nakakapag-make na ako ng simple requests, which enhances my confidence in interacting with local non-Japanese individuals. So, dati kasi pag sinabing kailangan kong kausapin itong taong ito in Japanese, kahit simpleng tanong lang, ninenervyos ako. So, ngayon, at least, tatanungin ko siya, anong pangalan mo, for example, or anong oras na, ganon. Anong gagawin mo this weekend, or anong ginawa mo last weekend. Yung mga ganong simpleng tanong, nagagawa ko na siya. Sobrang nakaka-happy. As a teacher, as an English teacher, I've always wondered before na bakit nahihirapan yung mga Japanese mag-aral ng English? Ang dali-dali lang naman. Yung ganon yung feeling. But now, like, since nag-start ako mag-aral sa ZUIT, I realized how difficult the language for me to learn is. So, kumbaga, mas nag-empathize ako and nag-sympathize sa mga students ko who are struggling. Kasi ako mismo, struggling to learn their language. So, syempre, sasabihin nila, ang dali-dali lang naman yan. Syempre, Japanese yan, madali lang yan. Pero, for me, sasabihin ko rin, madali yung English. But now I realize, it's not that easy. Learning a new language is not that easy. Kailangan mong mag-exert ng effort din on your part. For the nearly 6-month Japanese language boot camp was worth it. The money I invested in the course provided me with invaluable knowledge from highly competent mentors, and they consistently reviewed lessons and reminded us of homework and tasks and ensuring that we stayed on track. So I can confidently say it was money well spent. If you guys are still on the fence about studying Japanese, just consider this. Learning Japanese can open up a world of opportunities both personally and professionally. You'll gain access to Japan's rich cultural heritage and modern technology. It can also enhance your professional prospects, given Japan's influence in global business and innovation. So if you're passionate about new experiences and eager to broaden your horizons, learning Japanese could be a truly rewarding journey.